We're back again with another video. My name is Dario from Cool Geeks TNT, and today we're gonna unbox the Nonda USB Smart Car Finder and dual USB car charger. Now, it's a nice product from Nonda. Charging speed 2x, charging speed 4.8 amps, right? An elegant design, a nice LED lights, military grade quality of this product. So the build quality is very good, and also the smart car finder. So you know you're parked somewhere, you can't remember where you're parked. You flip out your phone, launch the app, and you can find your vehicle. Right? Award-winning design, and it has reversible USB port, so you can plug it in any direction. If I jump into the next portion of the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already. Like the video if you liked it. You know, show some love, and you know, we'll continue with the video. Again, nice quality like I said before. Alright, those dual USB ports. Alright, so we're gonna jump right now into the setup in the vehicle of the Nonda ZUS Smart Car Finder. Alright, so we're in the car now, and we're gonna do the setup of the ZUS Smart Car Finder. Right, so I have my phone. I previously used a Ravine. This is normally fast charge 2.1 amps by 1.0 amps. Right, so put this to the side. So with the ZUS now, this goes as fast as a 4.8 amp max, right? So let's plug it in. Actually, let me go to the app first. And then, so let's see, utilities. And of course you can get it from the iOS or Android stores. All right, so on our first, as we enter the app, normal thing, you register, either use Facebook or create your new username and password. All right, so it says welcome, add your first device here. So I hit the plus, and we are using the ZUS Smart Car Charger. So we hit plus again. Now, as you can see, there are a number of products, right? There's a newer version as well. There are also smart tire safety monitor, smart vehicle health monitor, a number of stuff, right? But we're using the ZUS Smart Car Charger. So hit plus, right? And as the instruction says, plug the ZUS car charger into your cigarette lighter. So we're gonna plug it into the lighter now, and as you can see, the nice LED lights on both the, don't know if you can see it from the camera view, but both the front is flashing, and two lights, LED lights from each port, you know, to give, so you can see where to plug your charger in. And it says pair now, so it says plug the ZUS car charger into your car's cigarette lighter, start the car engine. The engine is running, and the ZUS car charger lights will blink. Place your phone next to the ZUS to pair. So it's blinking, light is blinking right now, and I click on pair now, and as you can see, there's also a demo playing on screen, which is nice. Right, so binding successfully. The device is already bound to the vehicle. ZUS app is trying to connect the device. So we hit OK, got it. And again, and the very nice feature on screen we see on the app, it tells the battery, the voltage of the battery, 13.4 volts. So 13.4 volts, 6 volts, 13, average 13 volts, right? Again, I'm not a auto electrician, so I'm assuming that that's a good voltage for your battery. So you know, you can tell if your battery has life, if it's going also, right? And it says connected. All the lights are now solid on the lighter. And just first thing to check, to again, we could plug this in any direction on the charger. So just plug it in and plug him into the phone. Let's see, right? And as you can see, it's charging. I don't know if you can see that there. Right, allows ZUS to access your location. Obviously, you need your location in order for the app to locate the vehicle. Right, ZUS will record your location automatically only at the moment you turn off your car, no matter whether app is off or running at back. Then it will help you to find your car when you come back. Consumes only a little bit of battery. Alright, so basically when you turn your vehicle off, at that point it saves your location to the ZUS app on your phone, and so that's how it's able to then locate your vehicle. Again, this is not something to, if your car is stolen. And again, just as I said, ZUS does not support finding your car in locations with low GPS signals, such as multi-story parking lots and underground parking lots. ZUS requires strong GPS signal from your smartphone to record your car's location and to locate your car. GPS accuracy will drop to 200 feet in the area with low GPS signal, included sheltered places surrounded by high buildings. The highest accuracy that any mobile GPS can reach is 16 feet in an open area. Right? So it's okay. That was just a tip that they were giving you. Right, tap here to enable GPS. Alright, so please grant location access. Select always for ZUS app to locate your parking spot. Your car is nearby. Alright. Alright, so, well, obviously because I'm in the car, and if we hit this up, it gives us, so I'm on Kenny Street at the moment, which is accurate. Alright, so you can see, pinch the zoom. So just imagine that you were out somewhere out in the town and you couldn't remember what street that you were parked on. You will get from the map the various location as to exactly where your car is parked, or at least a very approximate area location, so that you'll then be able to see your car. Right? Then now there are other features. Vehicle details. In order to meet IRS requirements, please fill in your vehicle details. If you want to fill in later, go to settings, and I'll do that later. How it works: mileage log basic. Congrats, you're on the free basic plan, which allows logs 60 drives for free every month. Click to learn how it works. Alright, so we're not interested in that. All drives, safety. Alright, so there's a scan that you can also do. Right, 2 items are fine. Rescan. So let's check to see car battery. Highest car battery voltage 10 last 30 days. Okay, tire tip. Another stuff to buy now. So back into the dashboard, and then we go to settings. So my vehicle, car finder, parking notification, units, well, either feet or meters, depending on what you use in your country. I'll leave it on feet. Alright, let's go back. Mileage log, tire safety monitor, vehicle health monitor. Alright, that's additional features that you can buy. Smart dash cam. Alright. Alright, so we'll do a test now to locate the vehicle.